ituturo ko sa iyo. Okay, go to your home screen and then select the 3 lines. Scroll down, click Help and Support, and then click the Support inbox. And then your alerts. So as you can see, wala po tayong violations na natanggap. All clear na po siya. So yun po yung sinasabi ko na unang support inbox. And then let's proceed to the second one. Click Creator Support, and then Content and Audience Tools, Reels, and then click the 3 lines, and then click Support Inbox, and then your alerts.